In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell on Printify. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Let's say, as an example, Opera, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, even Brave like me, Google Chrome, a lot of browsers. So whatever you have downloaded in your PC or whatever you're working with, just go and open it up. Once it's opened, simply go to this URL section and type Printify, printify.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page. And this is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Printify website. So of course, as you can see here, create and sell custom products, 100% free to use, more than 800 high quality products and largest global print network. So of course, if you have an account, make sure to go and click at login here at the top right corner. And here you'll have to fill your email password, or you can even continue with Google. If you don't have an account, make sure to click on sign up so you can actually create an account. Simply, you'll have to do the same, enter an email and password, or you can do that with Google. So let me do this step and I'm coming back to you. So once you just created your account, you'll have to answer some basic questions like what's described you the best and other questions. As you can see here, 2 to 8 questions left. So make sure to answer them all. So once you're logged in or you sign in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here with your account already logged in into it, and you can go now to your store and etc. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, is would like to show you how to sell. So if you want to sell, you'll have to go and design some products. As you can see, you can click on browse products here, choose whatever products you want to print your design on it and publishing it into your store so you can start selling. Of course, you'll have to connect to your store first. If you click here on the logo, you'll have to do first of all these 5 steps so you can even start selling. So make sure to do them and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.